Imagine this question. What if money was not the goal of life, but a tool to live a meaningful life? Most of us wake up every day, go to work, earn money, pay bills, and repeat the same cycle again and again. We say we are busy. We say we don't have time. But deep inside, many people feel tired, stressed, and confused. This book, Your Money or Your Life, was written years ago, but its message is even more powerful today. In a world of social media pressure, rising cost, and constant comparison, this is not a book about getting rich fast. This is a book about getting your life back. Today, we will break this book into 10 deeply connected ideas. Each idea builds on a previous one. Each idea is a practical. Each idea can still change lives 100 or even 150 years from now. Let's begin. Point number one, money is your life energy. Money is not just paper or numbers in a bank app. Money is your life energy. Every rupee, dollar, or euro you earn represents your time, your effort, your skills, your stress. When you spend money, you are spending your life energy. Take an example. Think about a simple coffee that cost $5. If you earn $20 per hour after tax, that coffee cost you 15 minutes of your life. Now ask, was that coffee worth 15 minutes of your life? This idea changes how you see money forever. You stop asking, can I afford this? You start asking, is this worth my life energy? This mindset works in every era, past, present, and future, because time will always be limited. Point number two, most people trade life for money without realizing it. Many people think I work 8 hours a day, but the truth is you may be spending 10 to 12 hours for your job. Think about travel time, getting ready, stress recovery, office politics, late night emails. When you count everything, your job costs much more than you think. Let's take example. A person earns good money but is always tired. No time for family, no time for health, no time for peace. This book asks you a powerful question. Is your job supporting your life or consuming it? This is not about quitting jobs, it is about awareness. Awareness gives freedom, unawareness keeps people trapped. Point number three, track every penny with honesty. Most people don't know where their money goes. They guess, they assume, they avoid looking. This book teaches one simple habit: track every expense. Not to judge, not to feel guilty, but to see the truth. Take example. Someone thinks they don't waste money. After tracking, they discover small online purchases, food delivery, subscriptions they never use. The simple small leaks slowly drain life energy. When you see the truth on paper, your mind becomes clear. Clarity is the first step toward control. This practice will always be useful even 150 years from now, because humans will always struggle with unconsciousness spending. Point number four, spending should match your values. Money should support what truly matters to you. Ask yourself, what makes my life meaningful? What do I really care about? Family, health, freedom, learning, helping others? Then look at your spending. Does your money reflect those values? Let's take an example. Someone says family is important, but most of their money goes to gadgets and status items. Very little goes to experiences with the loved ones. This creates inner conflict. When spending aligns with values, guilt reduces, satisfaction increases, life feels lighter. This principle stays timeless because values define humanity, not technology. Let's take next point number five. Enough is better than more. Modern society teaches more is better. More money, more things, more success. This book teaches a revolutionary idea. Enough is powerful. Enough means you have what you need, your basic comforts are met, your life feels balanced. After enough, more does not increase happiness. Let's take example. A bigger house needs more cleaning, more repairs, more stress. A simpler house gives peace and time. When you define enough, you stop chasing endlessly. You gain contentment. Even in the future, people will still need this lesson because this desire has no limit. Point number six. Raise income or lower expenses wisely. Financial freedom comes from the gap between what you earn, what you spend. You can increase freedom by earning more without losing life balance, spending less without reducing joy. The key word is wisely. Let's take an example. Working extra hours but destroying health is not smart. Cutting meaningful experience is also not smart. Instead, learn skills, improve efficiency, remove waste. Freedom should improve life, not shrink it. This balanced thinking keeps this advice evergreen for generations. Point number 7, money should buy freedom, not status. Many people buy things to impress others. This creates pressure and comparison. This book says use money to buy freedom. Freedom from stress, debt, forced work, fear of tomorrow. Let's take an example. Someone buys expensive clothes to look successful. Another person saves and builds emergency funds. The second person sleeps better. Truth, wealth is peace of mind. This truth will never expire, no matter how society changes. Next point number 8. Save and invest for life, not greed. Saving is not about fear. Investing is not about greed. They are about supporting your future self. The book promotes simple, long term ethical investing, not gambling, not chasing trends. Let's take example. Investing slowly in a stable assets instead of risky shortcuts. This mindset builds stability across decades, not just years. Future generations will still need this wisdom because uncertainty is paramount. Point number 9. Financial independence is life independence. Financial independence means your basic living costs are covered without forced work. This gives you choice, time, and control. You can work because you want to, not because you must. Let's take example. A person who can take breaks, care for parents, or explore presence without panic. This is not about retiring early, it is about living fully. Freedom of choice is a timeless human dream. Next point number 10. Money is a tool, life is a goal. The final and the most important message, money is not life, life is life. Money should serve life, not replace it. Ask regularly, is my money helping me live better or is it controlling me? Let's take example. Choosing time with loved ones over extra income, choosing peace over pressure. This question connects all the previous points. When money supports life, everything aligns. Conclusion. This book does promise luxury. It promises clarity, balance, and freedom. Its idea worked in the past, they work today. They will work for the upcoming years because human will always need meaning, time, peace. If the summary helped you think differently about money and life, then this channel is doing its job because our goal is not just to make you smarter, but to help you live better. Thank you for listening.